All right, in this video, I'm going to give you 3 ways to find your competitors' most successful content, which is going to let you either replicate that success or make it even better so that it'll work for you. So there's 3 methods that I'm going to teach you to find your competitors' most successful content. And the first one is a free or freemium tool called Ubersuggest. So if you go to Ubersuggest and just type in your competitor's domain, and then when you're in there, you're going to click on the little link that says top pages. That's going to show you the top performing pages on that domain. Now, it's not 100% accurate and the numbers might not be exactly right, but it should give you a really good idea of what is driving search traffic to that URL. So the great thing about Ubersuggest is this is going to show you popular content that is relevant and that is ranking well in search engines. But for the second tool, we're going to look at most successful content based on the number of backlinks to each page. So the tool we're going to use here is the Moz Link Explorer. And this is also a freemium tool. If you sign up for the Moz free user account or their community account, whatever they call it now, you should be able to use this tool for a certain number of times each month, and you'll be able to get at least some data back. And what you're going to do is basically put in a URL. You're going to look to see the pages with the most links. And the reason you want to look at this is because if a competitor is getting links, a lot of links to an internal page, it likely indicates that that kind of content is something that could naturally attract links. So this could be a really good way for you to come up with a strategy to attract links for yourself. Now, the third method that you're going to use is actually just using Google itself, and you're going to go to Google and you're going to type in site : with no space. You're going to put in the domain of the competitor or whatever site you want to look at, and then you're going to put a space, and then you are going to type any keyword. So for example, I might type in site : mydomain.com, and then I put a space and I would say wedding. And this would show me what content Google thinks is most relevant on that domain for the word wedding. Now, obviously that's going to be a lot of pages on a wedding photographer's site, but you can get more specific. So if you want to see what content a competitor is using to rank for a particular venue or another specific entity, this could be a great way to just quickly scope out all of the content on their site around that one specific topic. Okay, so now that you know how to find your competitors' top content, it's time for you to make a list of content that should work well for you. And if you want to take that content to the next level and make sure that it's perfectly optimized, we cover that in our blogging course. We'll leave a link in the description below. And if you want more tips like this, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel where you'll find more just like this.